family, what's your order?
One-piece chicken.
One-piece chicken. Ano pong part?
Meron kayong neck.
Neck? Ask ko po. May neck?
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Princess. Nicole. And for today's video, as you can see, nasa hotel kami.
Maganda natin yung buong hotel.
Ay, room tour. Actually, for today's video, gagawa kami ng 24 hours. 24 hours kaming nasa hotel lang. Diba? Tinagalog na lang namin. So ngayon, what time na? It's currently 8:50 and magbe-breakfast na kami kasi kailangan bilisan namin. Fit check!
Wow!
Brownies. So yan, brownies. Ano ba?
Outfit naman for breakfast.
Kaya na mag-isip kung saan galing.
Let's go!
The family is eating together, stays together. Nicole, order ka. One-piece chicken. As you can see guys, we are the egg family. There's a lot of eggs.
Guys, ano si Mama? Inaayos ko lang yung egg niya. Maka-akin niya ako yan. Occupy that egg ah.
Sa'yo na yan ba?
Iwan niya.
Walang ganyan. Hindi nadagdagan. Pag-dubi-dubi.
Ano na mic? Mic! Wala na mic.
Umikit ba? Sinabi. Sarap ng ketchup, guys! So, part-part naman to ng hotel. So, tara. I guess having fun tonight! Oh my God! Okay, so, tapos na ako makaligo, guys. Grabe, saya maligo talaga. Alam mo ba, guys, pinaka-hate kong ginagawa after maligo is yung magsuklay. Ewan ko, ayoko lang ng feeling talaga. Grabe, ang bango ng buhok ko talaga. Every time na ginagamit ko yung shampoo na yun. Ay, papakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung ginamit kong shampoo. Kasi inspired siya dun sa favorite scent ko from Jo Malone. Wait lang, kunin ko. Here are the champions of life. Look at my hair. Bagong color pala ako ng hair color. Ha? Ano? Gulo. Bagong hair color ako. So, talagang nag-source ako ng mga treatment, shampoo para hindi siya maging dry. Yeah, I have here itong hair treatment or yung conditioner and yung shampoo. Syempre, partner sila. Kailangan pati body wash para kompleto na. This one. Sunset free siya yung kanyang set. For my body scrub, ito naman ginamit ko. Sunset free siya din. So, sobrang bango talaga niya as in. So, parang di na ako nagpapabango. Ayan na lang. Anyway, yun nga. Mag-blow dry ako ngayon. Oy, what's up?
Welcome to 73 Questions with Bo.
Hello, yes, with hair.
What are you doing today?
I'm just brushing my hair. You can see it? Just see it.
How are you today, Princess?
I am very good. Very good. I am very nice. Ano ba? I am very passionate. I'm very okay and happy right now because I just washed my hair. Guys, sobrang saya ko kasi ang hina ng tulog sa Las Piñas. Talaga. Promise. Ngayon, ang lakas sa tulog. And dito, sobrang na-enjoy ko. Like, pagkati ko talaga dito, nag-shower agad ako. Ganon, di ba?
May I know the product you used kanina?
I actually show it na, pero pakita ko rin sa inyo. You guys know my favorite perfume from Jo Malone. I found the perfect inspired shampoo, conditioner, treatment, body wash from July Me. Ito yung favorite ko, yung Sunset Free siya. Kasi nga inspired siya sa go-to perfume. So kaya hindi na ako magpabango kasi, girl, amoy na amoy mo na. Okay, but anyway, tapos ko na yung pagpapatayo ko ng hair.
So what are your favorite hairstyles?
Okay, so my favorite hairstyle, medyo parang Shih Tzu. Gaganyan ko lang, ayun, no, Shih Tzu.
Okay, maglalagay ako ng essence ngayon. Kasi hindi pa ako napaglagay. Kasi may nag-storbo sa akin dito. Nagmo-morning routine ako. So, ganyan siya, guys. Nilalagay ko to kapag basa yung hair ko pa. Pero pwede naman siya kahit tuyo din. Pero mas trip ko pag bagong ligo. Para alam mo yun, talagang fresh na fresh yung hair mo. Uy, umuwi mo. Ang bango talaga.
Oo nga, ang bango.
Tapos buti na lang nakahanap ako ng ganito. Guys, kung gusto nyo, hanapin nyo din. Hindi ko sabihin ko saan.
Below?
Ay, link below pala kung gusto nyo. Pero marami silang available scent eh.
Okay, so Nicole's ready as well. I mean, mag-get ready pala kami ito. Mag-aayos kami, samahan nyo kami ha. Pag kayo umalis, sabi ko sa inyo.
So, after nento, magpo-pool tayo.
Yes. Kailangan, kasi nga, namin, school break din namin ngayon.
Gagamitin ko guys yung PN Beauty Soft Matte Tint in the shade Body.
Oh, that's my shade.
Okay, now I'm not gonna use this.
Yeah, pag mukha ka sinuntok, ayan, okay na yun. So, alam mo ng bata kami, sobrang hita na namin mag-swimming. Like, nag-360 spin pa ako sa ilalim ng tubig. Eh ngayon,
Insert clip.
ay, wag. Okay, tapos na tayo sa makeup. Let's go. Kasi sakit pa ako.
Ganda ng clouds, oh.
Guys, ang ganda ng clouds. Ay.
Ay, sisirain pa po, ma'am!
Wow, ang ganda. So nice. Liit naman na nag-aayos. Yan lang yung height niyan. Ang liit naman.
Nakatuhod ako!
Ay, akala ko yan yung height mo.
Naka-order niyo, ma'am.
Cashier.
Hi, ma'am. May I what's your order?
One piece chicken.
One piece chicken. Ano po part?
Meron kayong neck.
Neck? Ask ko po. May neck?
Ay, what? May drinks na yun?
Yes po.
Ay, ano na lang pala.
Wala po kayong choice, ma'am. May order na po kayo. Next, please.
Ay, hindi.
Next, please.
Ulitin namin. Hindi, one piece chicken a la carte.
One piece chicken a la carte. Ano pang drinks nyo? Now, so pipili na po ako ng outfit ko for pool. So this is my top.
Oh, green top.
And also, I'm gonna wear
Panty.
white shorts.
Oh, white shorts. Wow.
It's a white polo long sleeve.
Oh,
That's my fit. How about you? What's your fit?
secret.
Okay, so for my fit, I'm just wearing a black trousers.
Wait, guys. I think I'm lost. Where are you?
Okay, for my bra top, I'm just gonna wear this one. I was thinking to wear this as a cover up or beige na ganito. Let's see that later. Okay, we're gonna fix muna.
Hi guys! Look, we're done! So since magbababad kami sa araw, kailangan namin i-protect ang aming mga hair. Ito, mag-reapply lang ako nitong perfume hair essence from July Me. So akin, yung ginagamit ko is itong Urban Rose. Sobrang love ko itong amoy na to. Yes, and for me naman, itong Sunset Facial like I said earlier. Kasi actually, 7 cents to. Para ka nag-spray ng perfume sa hair mo. Pero this one, it is very moisturizing, hydrating. Since nga ginagamit namin siya everyday, as in from morning hanggang night. Alam mo, ang bango pa rin ng hair namin. And 7 cents na meron sila, inspired yun sa mga luxury na perfume. So like mine, inspired siya dun sa Jo Malone. Yung akin, inspired siya sa Made by Chanel. So, I'm a very Chanel girl. So, saka hindi siya nakaka-dry ng hair talaga. So, kung meron kayong damaged hair, baga ditong hair care nyo. And yeah, if you want to try muna ng maliliit yung mga scent nila, kung hindi kayo makapili kung anong scent na gusto nyo i-try, ingay mo. So, ito yung available nila na gift set nyo, na hair essence, para matry nyo muna na maliliit. Ang cute niya. Gift set. So, pwede pang regalo. Guys, kuha kayo lahat. Or kung gusto nyo i-try lahat, pero gusto nyo konti lang, ito, pwede din naman to. So, ayan. On the way namin sa pool. So, tara, samahan nyo kami.
Ganun boses mo. Para yung sa Your Name.
So, ayan. Malapit na kami. So, tara, samahan nyo kami.
Ay, sarado yung pool, ate.
No lifeguard on duty. Okay, no problem. I am here. I can protect you guys, okay? It's our agenda. Tapos guys, pag atras ko nahulog na ako, walang lifeguard naka-duty. Paano yan? No, hindi tayo mag-swimming, okay? Don't bash us.
Okay, pwede daw mag-picture.
Pagpaalam na po kami. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-picture, guys. Sobrang gano'n dito. Tsaka walang tao, kaya wala kaming mask, okay? Okay lang kahit kami naka-mask. Kasi wala talagang tao, pinakalis ko sila. Ay, hindi. Ay, ang bango. Ang bango nito. Anong scent nito?
It's Full Bloom. We're using the July Me Full Bloom Perfume Hand Cream kasi alam niyo naman, kaka-alcohol namin. From time to time, sobrang nagiging dry yung hands natin. So, we use this hand cream
Para
from July
maging
Me.
soft, moisturized, and hand-free. Walang kakainin. Hindi lang siya basa-basa hand cream kasi meron siyang scent. Available to gift set din, katulad nung kanya. So, kung gusto nyo ipang regalo, actually, pwede din naman. Kasi yung gift set, diba? As you can see, sobrang handy. Keep your hands hydrated. Yes, we need to keep our hands hydrated and moisturized. Gusto nyo ma-feel luxury, yung amoy ng kamay nyo. Use this hand cream para very lightweight and softens. Ay, asan yung swimming pool? Asan ba? Asan? Okay. Shucks, baka mahulog talaga ako.
Kailangan ko ng K-drama background music.
Okay. Insert K-drama. It's beautiful life. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Ay, ang lapit nyo naman sa akin. Okay, so ngayon, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-swimming. Since hindi kayo makapag-swimming, ituturo ko na lang sa inyo. So, first step, kailangan nyo ng arms. Pag wala kayong arms, pwede mo lang inyong mga foot or feet. Makiki-interview tayo dito. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Interviewin po natin ngayon ang mga hindi po na pinayagan mag-swimming para malaman natin ang kanilang mga saloobin pagdating sa mga ganitong mga pangyayari. Ay, ma'am, excuse me po, pwede ko ma-interview? Ayan, hello. Thank ko lang po sa inyo. Ano po pakiramdam na hindi po kayo nakapag-swimming kahit may swimming pool po sa inyo tabi?
Malungkot kasi hindi kami nakapag-swimming. Pero masaya naman kasi hindi kami nakapag-swimming.
Okay, napakagandang kwentang sagot ng aking mga na-interview. Ayan, update. Kambing na po ako. Tingnan mo ako parang New Year kasi, so polka dots. So, ang date, anong oras na? 10:24 in the evening. And I look so weird. Pakamulto ni ko parang dito ako black lady. Ba't ako nakatake dito?
Patulog na po kami, kaya
Yeah, tingnan niyo naman guys, bangag na ako. Pero look at my hair, still soft and moisturized. Anyway, we're just gonna like tulog na and then we will see you guys tomorrow. I'm super excited for tomorrow fashion show, guys. Kaya ka nandito kasi may fashion show kami. So abangan nyo ha. Huwag kayo matutulog ha. Abangan nyo. Kami lang matutulog. Pero bukas fashion show, okay?
So, ayan, kakagising ko lang, guys. I noticed na sobrang moisturized pa rin ang hair ko. So, since kagabi ako naligo, ito yung mga products na ginamit ko the night before. For my shampoo, ito yung ginamit ko from July Me, yung kanilang anti-hair loss perfume hair shampoo. Hindi ko alam kung halata nyo, pero manipis kasi talaga yung hair ko. Mabilis ako maglagas ng hair. Ever since na ginagamit ko yun, nakakatulong siya para ma-maintain yung kahit konting kapal naman ang aking hair. This is actually good for hair nutrition and elasticity improvement. So, ito yung ginamit ko kagabi, kasabay ng aking conditioners. Ito yung July Me na perfume hair treatment. So, ayan, sa ends lang siya ilalagay. It actually contains coconut palm oil and canola flower oil. Ito yung nakakatulong para maging soft yung damaged and dry hair nyo. So, and for my body wash naman, ito yung ginamit ko from July Me also, yung kanilang perfume body wash. Meron siyang AHA ingredients and meron din siyang luxury scents. And yun nakakatulong para maging soft din yung skin mo. And sobrang bango talaga nito, guys. Actually, guys, ito yung pinaka-tip ko sa inyo kung gusto nyo maging healthy looking yung hair nyo. Perfume non-wash hair pack. So, wet yung hair ko, diba? So, apply ko siya sa aking hair, ganyan. And since non-wash nga siya, kaya mo lang siya dyan, sinsit ko lang for 5 minutes, ganun. Tsaka ako mag-blow dry, and then tsaka ko na siya susuklayin. Dry na yung hair nyo, pwede na kayo matulog. Pagkising nyo, as in, sobrang bango ng hair nyo. Also, since naka-tube type packaging siya, guys. So, ito, perfect din siya kung magta-travel kayo. And yun nga, mas hygienic siya. Lalo na kami, nag-share kami ni ate dito. So, since may pupuntahan tayo for today, maglalagay ulit ako ng hair essence. Ang scent naman nito, guys, is Joss Balm. So, ilalagay ko siya sa aking hair para for the whole day mabango yung hair ko. Tada! So, kita nyo naman, ang healthy tingnan ng aking hair. Wala pa yung suklay, guys. So, healthy tingnan ng aking hair. Para ako nagpasalo, no? Pero kakagising ko lang. Ate, ang ganda ko! Hindi ka legit. O, para ako nagpasalon. Wow! Ay! Ayan! Galing salon din.
Yes, look at my hair.
Ikaw may ka sa bouncy hair, no?
Yes. Nagko-contourize ako, hindi ako nagko-conditioner. Nag-shampoo ko, tapos essence para magbango and maging shiny yung hair ko. Ayun, no?
Kami lang to, guys.
Wala pa to, hindi pa tapos. Wala pa akong makeup.
Feeling.
Oh, guys, look! Oh, pa! Oh,
Ay, sino
boogs! Boogs! Look! Oh. Since bored kami, guys, since very fashionable, eklubo kami. 7 cents kasi yung mga hair essence namin. Naisipan namin gawan siya ng outfit, guys.
Alright, let's
fashion show. Let's go.
Outfit number 1. Dun! Wow! What scent is that?
This one is blackberry, inspired by Jo Malone Blackberry. This is
Wow!
my outfit for a blackberry look. This is perfect for date night.
Parang kami dalang bata ate. Ba't ganyan? Ikot na pa. Yung pamuli na pa ikot. Babalik ka sa backstage. Wala. Parang multo naman yun. Hindi naman yung model natin.
Wow! Summer yarn?
Summer vibe. I'm
Yes.
using the Jaws Balm. And ang scent na to is Motive by Victoria's Secret Love Spell.
Ay, very summer. Okay, full shot. Back. Oh. Bounce hair.
Wow! Sino ka dyan? Yellow yarn. Wow, what scent is that?
This is my favorite scent. Ito yung
Oh.
sunset fuchsia. Kasi sunset, so yellow.
Pak! 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 Pak!
Bili na
Pak!
kayo. Very perfect for summer. Since very light and refreshing yung scent niya.
Wow!
Okay.
Ay, what's your perfume?
My favorite Urban Rose. And ito yung Chanel. Kaya Chanel vibe.
Ah, yes. Very
Chanel
Chanel.
scent kasi ito guys. So, very Chanel ang aking look.
Ay! Taray!
Jenny.
Jenny vibes.
What scent is that?
So this one is Rose and Lily Motive by Marc Jacobs and Oh La La na perfume. So as you can see, very rosy.
Dude. Jenny vibes. Wow. Thank you so much, girl.
Ay! Schoolgirl?
Woody and Musk.
Ay, Woody?
Woody.
Ay, kala ko moody. Ay, kaya pala ma-brown.
Yes. And yung scent na to is Motive by Diptyque.
Ay, tiptika. Very blue and very woody. Where's Pecker? Woody Woodpecker.
Pa. Turn siya sa blue.
I know. Pa, ganda. Ay, grabe party girl. Saan ka ngayon, girl? What scent is that?
So this one is Full Bloom Motive by Eclat. Very trendy na perfume na Eclat. This is it. Why purple? Kasi purple yung bottle nun eh.
Party ka naman dyan.
So yan guys, we're done with our fashion show
And
and
napakita namin ang 7 scents ng July Me. Also, merong signature scent ang July Me. So, what is that?
yes, ito yung kanilang Vanilla Propose. If you guys love yung parang mga vanilla scent talaga, yung mga kahit sa perfume, this one is for you guys. Pero if you want to try yung mga inspired by
Different luxury perfumes like Chanel.
Jo Malone
Yeah.
and Marc Jacobs, ayun, i-try nyo yung mga ganito.
Available sila sa Shopee, guys. So,
Yes.
sobrang convenient kasi pwede nyo sila orderin online.
So, that's it for this video, guys. Yun na namin tatapusin ang 24-hour inside Chuchuchu
Kasi
Hotel.
24 hours na.
Yeah, 24 hours na nga. And uuwi na din kami, guys.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.
And click the bell button beside to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. All the links are on the description box below.
So check it out, and we'll see you again next time.
Feeling
Bye!
fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby.